Welcome back. Now, one of the last things we're going to polish up has to do with lighting, and we're going to build our lighting by clicking on this build icon here. But before we do that, take a look at how we have two of the same types of mesh, only one is dark and one is bright. Now, this has to do with the lighting, and we're going to look at what happens when we take this little thing right here. It's called a sphere reflection capture, and duplicate it. So I'm going to hold Alt and drag one over, and let's go ahead and just bring this over here. And you'll see immediately, as soon as we bring this over here, that those previously dark bullet shells are now bright. Now, this sphere reflection capture does exactly what it sounds like. It basically acts like a sphere that reflects light. And so everything near it is going to be affected by that. So we're going to go ahead and copy some of these and place them all throughout the level so that our things in the level are not going to be dark. So go ahead and copy that sphere reflection capture and bring several of these into the level at various points in the rooms here, such as the corners and the edges and things like that. So go ahead and just bring a few of these in at various points in the level. So there's a few here. I'm going to place one over here and copy it 2 or 3 times. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring one over here. Now it looks like I got some high up in the air. I'm going to bring these down closer to the ground because there's really no point in having them up so high. And I'm going to bring a couple up into the boss room. So one important thing that we need is a light mass importance volume. This is going to help when we build our lighting because it's going to designate where in the level to prioritize lighting when building it. So you're going to bring in a light mass importance volume in here and go ahead and scale it up to encompass the entire level. So once you've scaled it up, you should have it encompassing the whole thing. Now we can go ahead and build the lighting. So go ahead and click on Build and give this a few minutes to build the lighting for the level. Okay, so now that lighting has been built, we can right-click and play from here, and now you'll see that these are no longer dark, so everything looks great. Excellent.